Types of fractions. We know that a fraction is a part of a whole. Now we will study about different types of fractions. Like fractions, fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. On the screen, we see like fractions with same denominators 7. Unlike fractions, a fraction having different denominators is called unlike fractions. Here we can see all denominators are different. Proper fraction. A fraction having the numerator less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. Mixed fraction. A combination of whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. In a mixed fraction, the whole number is called the integral part and the fraction is called fractional part. Unit fraction. A fraction having 1 as numerator is called a unit fraction. We can convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 3/7 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3/7 is equal to 17/7. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, just divide the numerator by denominator. For example, to convert 11/4 to a mixed fraction, divide 11 by 4. We get quotient 2 and remainder 3. Write down the 2 and then write down the remainder 3 above the denominator 4. We will get a mixed fraction.